Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to quickly show how to use a Windows tool called DXDiag. First, to open DXDiag, it's quite simple. First, going to right click on the start button, and then in the bottom left corner of the screen, I'll click run. Went to other window, and then you need to type DXDiag and really type it in. DXDiag, click OK, and it will show you the um, system. The first tab gives you a general overview of the computer, the date, computer name, operating system, language, system manufacturer, model, BIOS, processor, memory, page file. And then on the display tab, um, this um, this particularly useful for graphics card information. Yeah, and start a display, and then the sound. I have four displays. Um, yeah, so these are the sound card and input mouse keyboard. So, yep, that's it. Thank you.